afternoon. Welcome to Burnt Green, I think it's called. I don't know, to be honest. I've driven out for about half an hour outside of Birmingham, and I wanted to find this country park that I'd read about. It's gets some good write-ups and reviews on Google and TripAdvisor and that kind of thing. Anyway, when I got it was absolutely persisting down, so I didn't think I was going to get a walk in. But it has actually stopped raining finally, and come quite nice this afternoon for about an hour or so. So that's good. And so I've managed to get out at least a little while and found some amazingly beautiful specimens of trees. So it's been a funny old week, really, hasn't it? It's it's the beginning of winter now, I suppose, officially here in the UK. The hour went back last night, this morning, and so it's going to be, well, it is actually almost beginning to get dark now at around, coming up on 4 o'clock, just gone. So, and the pandemic situation continues, definitely not getting any better. Tier 2, Tier 3 lockdowns all over the place. Wales doing its own thing, Scotland doing its own thing. It's all a bit confusing. And then the icing on the cake, of course, is that with half-term coming up, the government, in the infinite wisdom and generosity, decided not to give free school meals to the kids. And many people are rather upset about that. So I don't want to get into the politics of it, but I would say it just shows a basic lack of compassion, really, doesn't it? I mean, feed the kids. I mean, as a parent, that's a basic. That's a minimum you can do, isn't it? Feed your kids. I mean, love them, obviously, and feed them. And I think that's. I mean, it's probably the government can say that they've provided money and all the rest of it, and they probably have, in fairness. But it's just not the same, is it? It feels like, and it reads as though they are lacking in compassion, and so I think they'll learn a lesson from it, actually. But I think we all can. I think we all need to rediscover compassion. We need to be kind to others and to ourselves, actually. It's going to be a tough old winter for all of us. So, be your own best friend. That's what I'm recommending. Interestingly, somebody, I don't know, I think it might have been Samuel Beckett. I don't know, is the honest answer, but somebody older and wiser than me said, a good friend is your other self. I don't know, but I definitely know I feel better for it, getting out and about and telling myself, you know what, we'll get through this, we'll be okay. I mean, look around. It's beautiful, isn't it? Right, so have a good week. Stay safe, stay well, wherever you are. Namaste.